Hello guys, someone asked in comments box if the span is 6 meter for the beam. So let's get started guys. If you are new on this channel, so you may like the video and subscribe the channel for more civil engineering updates. If the span is 6 meter and you are going for 2-story, so what should be the size of beam and its steel reinforcement, and also some technical terms. Remember, before starting the video, I will tell you the size of the beam should not be less than, in the case of 6 meter for 2-story, the size of the beam should not be less than 12 inches by 16 inches depth. It means width should be 12 inches and the depth should be 16 inches. Right, this is the size of beam. Next guys, you can see the steel reinforcement. So before going to guide you for the more details, so I will tell you, for steel reinforcement, use 4 bars at the bottom and the dia should be 12 millimeter, right? 4 bars at the bottom and 2 bars at the top, and the dia should be 12 millimeter. Next guys, you can see here, this is a ring, or you can say the stirrup. So use 8 millimeter dia of steel rod with the spacing of 5 and 7 inches center to center. Right? How guys, you can see here. So let me write here for concrete cover also. So the concrete cover should be 1.5 inches, right? And use M20 grade concrete. M20 grade. Ratio is 1, ratio 1.5, ratio 3. Right guys, so here if you see the details guys, so the stirrups are here. So at the distance of L by 3 from this center line. So from L by 4. L by 4 means 1.5 meter. Also this side L by 4 guys, you can see L by 4, where L by 4 is equal, which is 1.5 meter, because the total span is 6 meter. L means length between two columns from one center line to another center line, right? So here guys, if you see clearly, you can see at the distance of L by 4, use 5 inch center to center, right? So guys, you can see 8 millimeter with the spacing of 5 inches center to center. This is especially for the stirrups guys, you can see. And you can see the 7. So after L by 4, we increased the spacing. So you can use 8 millimeter diameter of stirrups and 7 inches center to center. Same guys, you can use this one, right? Next, extra bars are very important to provide near its support at top portion, but 2 bars should be at the top portion, 1 and 2. Only at the distance of L by 4, same like this guys, you can see. Like this. And also here, from here to here, this point. Extra bars at the distance of L by 4, because here we have negative bending moment. At this place we have positive bending moment. Already we provided 4 bars, but at the top portion 2 bars, but 2 are at the center, especially for the extra rods, right, to resist negative bending moment, especially for these points. Next guys, you can see the development length is very important. The top bar is going to the downward side and the bottom bar is going to the upward side. So the development length is also very important. It should not be less than 12 inches, the development. So let me write here DL, or you can say, sorry, not LD, LD, not DL, development length, right? So guys, these are the details, especially for the beam. If the span is up to 6 meters, so these are the details as I discussed the front of you. 12 by 16 inches, width 12 inches, depth 16 inches, concrete cover 1.5 inches, use M20 grade concrete. The span is 6 meter at the bottom, use minimum 4 bars and 12 millimeter dia of steel rod. This is for 2-story. At the top, 2 bars diameter, you can see 12 millimeter, 2 bars, 2 are middle bars, especially for the extra bars, guys. You can see here I provided at the distance of L by 4. You can say to the distance of 1.5 meter. And you can see the stirrups near its support are L by 4. Keep the spacing 5 inches. And after that, you can increase up to 7 inches. Right? Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.